Hi guys, welcome. It's a great news that the most awaited feature is here. Now we can build the Unity Navmesh in runtime. So let's try that. Let's create a new scene. Yeah. So here is our new scene, and let's install the package. Go to Package Manager, Unity Registry, and search for AI, and install this AI navigation. So now let's create the scene. We create a 3D object plane and the position need to be 0 0. Yeah. So here is plane, but yeah, we need to see in top view, and let's scale that little bit. Yeah, so this is should be our view. Okay, so let's create the view. This is optional. I am just taking camera here using virtual camera. So yeah, now the view is ready. Let's create obstacles with 3D object cube. Yeah, point 0.5. Let's scale it a little bit. Scale this one. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Okay. So let's rotate it. Hmm. Yes, so we created a scene. Let's little color the obstacle. Create a material. So this is our obstacles. Now let's create a player. Cube. So this is our player. Let's color it to player and rename this one to player. Yeah. So for player movement, we need to add a agent to the player, as you know. So let's add the Navmesh agent. Yeah. So zero point 0.5 speed. Okay. All good. So now let's create a script. Let's go to scripts. Let's create the script. Name it player. As it is not suggesting right now, let's using Unity Engine AI and Navmesh agent on start. As it will get component by ID, and here we need a target. So public game object target agent dot destination equal to target dot transform dot position. Okay, now let's bake the navigation. So for baking navigation, we go to game object AI Navmesh surface and let's bake this one. So now see this one is baked. Let's create a target 3D object cube and name it target 0.5. So here's our target. We didn't add the player script, so let's add the player script. So here is our player script, and now let's set the target. Okay, so now let's run. You see this one is following the target, and if we move the target the player is moving, but we want to update the navmesh, right? So right now let's copy the obstacle, create one here, and let's take the target. You see it's going through the object, the navmesh is not updated. So this is the main part. Right now we create the navmesh update. So in the player, let's create another object, public navmesh surface, and we don't want to always update, we want to update on call. So let's create a bool public bool update navmesh. If update navmesh surface build navmesh update navmesh into false. So right now in player you can see, let's take it to the top. Yeah, so right now in player you can see we have an option update navmesh. Let's connect the surface. Yeah, update navmesh. So whenever we click on update navmesh, the navmesh will be updated. So okay, so let's play again. We want to update it in runtime. So again, as you see, the player is following the target. That's great one. So let's again copy the obstacle. You see, I copied, but navmesh is still not updated. So let's tick that one, and you see this one is updated. Now let's move the target. You see it's going through. Now you see there is one problem. Whenever we are updating navmesh, it's also detecting the target, but we don't want to target to be detected. So let's add a script navmesh modifier in the target, and in modify remove objects. So right now if we scan, you see that it is not counting the target. So let's F1 add. Of course you can update navmesh, and yeah, now you can update navmesh in runtime. It's amazing, right? Thank you for watching. Bye.